Hi, my name is Cheryl Spangler and welcome to the good side of crypto. And in today's video, I wanted to walk through the NFT checklist that a lot of people have seen my video and asked me where it is. Thank you for pushing me to get this completed. But you know what I wanted to do was I wanted to do a little more research on grants where you can get free money to do your NFT collection. I want to repeat that. Free money. There are so many grants available for you to get free money to pay for the NFT collection that you're thinking about making. So I want to walk through first, just real quick, the quiz that I put together. This is totally free, does not require you to enter in even your email or phone number. And at the end, it'll basically take you to a checklist that is more preferred and detailed to what you need. So let's go ahead and do that so you can see it right now and get to it. This is the checklist and the link is in the description of this video. It's also in the description of the video titled NFT Step by Step. And basically it is the socialgiving.io/NFT quiz. And so when you get here, let me hide this. It just says NFT checklist, how to launch your NFT collection for profit without prior knowledge of blockchain, digital assets, or crypto. Because I think that the biggest challenge in creating an NFT collection is not, believe it or not, the technical aspect of it. It's the concept and the idea and how many and who should I hire and what should I do and why am I even doing this? It's like you get this idea, or you work for a company that wants to do one, but you don't know really what to do. This will just help give you kind of a framework of what to do. Obviously, it's not every single tiny little thing because there's like nuances depending on what blockchain you choose, what you want people to get in addition to your NFT. Maybe you want them to download an NFT and also get something at the same time downloaded. Like there's so many options, right? So this is just to get started. Okay. So let's just go through, I'll go through as someone other than myself. Finish this sentence. I am an entertainer. I just put entertainer includes sports, acting, music, artists, arts. Actually, I need to change this. I'm going to change this by the time you see this. I just realized that I actually changed this first question. Finish this sentence. I am new to blockchain NFTs, knowledgeable about NFT process, experienced in creating and minting NFTs already, or you're an NFT creator and you're trying to get a better process to do it for others because people come to you and say, hey, can you do these NFTs for me? And then they actually don't know the process themselves and they're expecting you to kind of know the full process, whereas you're thinking, I'm just the artist. So this will give you an idea. Let's just say you're an artist. Next question is the NFT collection experience. It's kind of another way to ask the previous question, but more specific. I have never created an NFT. That's a very specific person. Okay, they would need a little bit more help. I have created one, but never a collection. I've created a collection, but they never sold. I've created a successful collection and ready to do it again. Maybe you created a collection and like me, there are a lot of things you would do different. And so I created this with myself in mind. What would I do different this time? How would I price things? What blockchain would I choose? What marketplace would I launch on? Just everything, right? So let's just say I have created one, but I want to do it again. What is your current budget for NFTs? Let's just say you're looking at these like, what? And you just say, what budget, right? My budget is, oh, sorry, I guess select what budget. Next question. What's the biggest struggle or challenge you face with NFTs? I don't know where to start. I'm not technical. I don't have time to do the creating. I don't have the money to pay someone. Let's just say I don't have the money to pay someone. Tell me, which additional roadblock do you suffer from the most? I start projects but never finish them. By the way, this is the #1 reason why NFT collections are not launched. Because we have amazing ideas. We even have, maybe even have a system to do it. Maybe someone even gave us an exact step-by-step, i.e. my last video. But you just don't have time to finish. Or you have ADHD and you start a lot of things and you never finish them. So you pick one of these. let's just say I'm overcommitted already, right? Which a lot of us are, right? We work 2 jobs or 1 job that's extremely demanding, or you have an extremely demanding partner, or maybe you got a bunch of kids at home. Like, you don't have time. Or maybe you really focused on outside hobbies, and being on the computer 24 hours a day isn't your jam, like some people. And last question, this may not seem like it matters, but have you considered donating a portion of your profit to a social mission or issue? And this doesn't matter whether you say yes or no, but the point is to get you thinking that there needs to be something beyond your NFT collection, because people who buy NFTs right now are like, what else do I get? Oh, what is this for? Oh, what's your storyline? Oh, what are you doing for this? What money? What is this money going to? Is this just going in your pocket? I mean, what are you building for me? How are you expanding? How are you growing? What's your roadmap? So basically, let's just say, no, I never thought about it. Preparing your checklist, do not leave this page. And you're left with 1 of 4 NFT checklists. And this one is NFT creator, artist for others, which is what I identified during this checklist. So you just click on it. It opens up a free Google check sheet of absolutely everything that I should have, could have, and will think about when I launch another collection. Who to contact? Just let me skip to the bottom, because at the bottom, free money. There's funding, right? More free money, more. Lots of links to free money. And here is like some marketing and some ideas that you probably haven't thought of. This is like the VR and AR part of this is what's coming already here, but it's here and you need to think about it. The marketing aspect of this, at the last 2 of the items on this list, think about those things. This is your free. Now, there's anything in here that, other than these questions to ask yourself, are linked to things that I've either created, I had to do myself, or I created a template just for you in the link. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Please drop a comment of an NFT collection you're thinking about. Trust me, no one's going to steal it, because it takes a lot of work from beginning to end to get something launched.
The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.